Imagine stepping into a profession where every day you protect lives, shape safety standards, and earn a salary that truly reflects your impact. In the Gulf, safety officers are more than respected. They're in high demand for 2026. The demand for safety experts is skyrocketing. As mega projects expand and industries push for higher standards, safety officers are the backbone of every workplace. From dazzling skyscrapers in Dubai to oil rigs off the Saudi coastline, safety officers are essential. But what does this mean for your paycheck? Entry-level safety officers in the Gulf start at around $1,500 per month, according to the latest surveys and government job boards. With 2 to 5 years of experience, salaries jump to $2,500 to $3,500 monthly. In Qatar and UAE, experienced pros often see $4,500, driven by booming development and global standards. Senior safety officers and HSE managers at multinational firms or oil giants are offered $6,000 to $8,000 per month, plus bonuses, housing, and benefits. Credentials matter. Advanced certifications like NEBOSH and IOSH make a real difference, opening doors to top salaries and leading roles. Take Ahmed in Oman. He started at $1,800, pursued specialized training, and moved to a large firm. Now his salary is $6,500. His story echoes across the Gulf. This journey is more than numbers. It's about growth, impact, and joining a community that's leading the Gulf to safer workplaces. As you weigh your options, remember, in 2026, safety officers in the Gulf are valued, challenged, and well rewarded. Whether you're starting out or aiming for the top, the Gulf safety sector offers real opportunity. Step forward, invest in your skills, and secure your future. The path is yours to shape.